Hi everybody, welcome to this class. As today in this class we'll study about fall throw. What is fall throw? When in absence of break statement after a case, its following cases executes automatically until a break statement is found or end of switch is reached. This process is called fall throw. We can look here on this syntax. According to definition, when after a case we do not apply break statement, then its following cases executes automatically until a break statement is found or end of switch is reached. This is known as fall throw. So it is an example of fall throw. Here are case 1, 2 and 3, but case 1 and 2 does not contain break statement. In that case, when these case do not contain break statement, in that case, as soon as control will come here, it will execute all the statement here and then automatically will go to the case 2 also. So this process will continue up to the found of break statement or until the end of switch is reached. It is known as fall throw. When in the absence of break statement after a case, its following cases executes automatically one by one. So we will do it practically. For this, first of all, we'll take a class fall throw. Here we will import a package for scanner class, and then we will apply main method. Now we'll make an object of scanner class, and here we will make a program with the help of fall throw. We will make this program. In this program we have to enter a month number out of from 1 to 12. If we enter 1 to 11, 12, then we will print winter season. In case of 3, 4, 5, 6, we will print summer season. In case of 7, 8, we will print rainy season. In case of 9, 10, we will print autumn season. So we are making this program. Here we will ask the user enter a month number. Enter a month number. Like this we will read month number in month variable. We will apply switch on this month variable and we'll say if case 1, case 2, case 11, case 12. In that case, print message winter season. In case of case 3, case 4, case 5 and case 6, it will be summer season. In case of case 7, case 8, it will be rainy season. Case 9, case 10, autumn. Otherwise, in case of default, we'll say wrong choice, wrong month number. So it is an example of fall through. To test it, first of all, we will save this program by class name fallthrough.java. We have to save this program in my computer C drive, JDK folder, bin folder of JDK. Save. Now open command prompt and go to root directory by cd/, open JDK 1.7, open bin folder of JDK 1.7 and compile by javeek fallthrough.java. Run this program by fallthrough. Enter a month number. I enter 1, so it will show winter season. We can look here, as I enter 1, so this month value will be 1 and this one will match with this one, so cursor control will come here, and we can look here, here is nothing in case 1, but here is not break also. So due to lack of break, due to missing break, as soon as control will come here to execute case 1, it will automatically drops to the case 2 and after that to the case 11, because all triple cases does not contain break, all triple cases do not contain break statement. And after that, as soon as it will reach to the case 12, it will execute this statement, but after case 12, due to break statement, it will skip all over this part. It will skip this entire part and break statement will bring it out of this switch. So like this fall through work. Yet fall through is a drawback, but we can make it as a beneficiary for us by using it intelligently. So it is an example of fall through. There are many examples that we can solve with help of fall through. If you have any problem in this video, you can ask me through comment. If I enter 5, if I enter 8, if I entered a wrong month number, then it will generate wrong month number error. It is clear now. So if you have any problem in this program, you can ask me through comment, and if it is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos related to the topics. And you can also study all these topics in Hindi if anybody want. Link of my channel, second channel on which all these tutorials are in Hindi, is present in description of every video. Thanks for watching.